Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I'm in love with this crossbody purse from SYTRAH.
This gorgeous sling bag from SYTRAH is what you need for every occasion, whether you're out for playing, going for a walk, dancing at your favorite concert, or just having it as an everyday purse. It's made out of this gorgeous faux leather, and yet it is so authentic and it looks so durable. I'm so in love with it so far. There are so many different pockets in here and zippers and card slots that you're going to be able to fill all sorts of things and more. You're going to be totally shocked about how many things fit in this gorgeous little sling bag crossover backpack. And a couple of other cool little things I love about it is the adjustable strap. So you can tighten it up or loosen it up depending on the outfit that you're wearing. And the strap is reversible, so you can put it on the left or the right depending on your preference. And just to show you very quickly how much I can put into this gorgeous little purse, you've got my full-size wallet in here. You've got lip glosses, lipsticks, and all sorts of little, drinking straws, my sunglasses clip. There's just so much room. And I haven't even put my phone in here yet. I'm just very impressed of all the room in here, and yet it still looks so gorgeous. It's just the perfect bag. So who wouldn't want this trendy, gorgeous sling bag for women? It would make a great gift.
So if you're in the market to get yourself one of these crossbody purses, I love this one with so many different styles and colors to choose from. You're gonna get one that suits you the best. You're gonna love it just because I know I love it. But that's my point of view.